How to make Instagram account private. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are looking to ensure the privacy of your information on Instagram so that only your approved followers can see your post by making your account private, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple steps to make your Instagram account private. Firstly, open up Instagram app on your mobile device. At the bottom, tap on the circle with a profile picture. Then, tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. In the search bar, type Account Privacy. Tap on the first option with the lock sign. Note that business or professional accounts on Instagram cannot be private. If you have a business account, switch to a personal account by watching my tutorial provided in the card section and description. Now toggle on the button labeled Private Account. A confirmation menu will appear. Tap on Switch to Private to confirm, and boom, you have successfully made your Instagram account private. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.